Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Children, this time is study time. Okay children? So, today I will teach you English subject and our lesson 7. Okay? And page number 21 and letter K. Okay children, letter is K. This letter capital letter and this letter is small letter. Okay children, sound of K, K, K. Sound of K, K. Okay children, sound of K, K. So look at the book children. Okay, our concept, listen and repeat. Okay children, and page number 21. Okay, so letter is K, letter capital A, and this letter is small k. Okay, so K for key, K for king, K for kangaroo, K for kettle, and K for kite. Okay children, K for kite. So look at the board children. Okay, this picture is cattle. Okay children, this picture is cattle. Okay, this cattle. Okay, so right here, write in small letter. Okay, right, cattle. K for cattle. Okay, next picture is children, this picture is kite. Okay, this picture is kite. So right here small letter in K for kite. Okay, K for kite. This picture is children, this picture is key. Okay, this is key. So right here key, write in small letter. Okay, and K for king, and K for kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo. Okay children, kangaroo. So now repeat again. Okay, K for cattle, K for kite, K for key, K for king, and K for kangaroo. Okay children, so now we will write letter K. Okay children, now we will write letter K. Okay children, so this dog. Okay, children, go up, go down, and go up. This letter is small k. Okay, go up, go down, go up, go middle in and go up. This letter is K. Okay. K, letter K. Okay. So children, letter K. This letter is small k. Sound of K, K. K. So now write big K. Okay children. So go up. Number 1. Go to number 2. Okay. And number 3, number 4 and number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So children, number go to number 1 to number 2. Go up. Go number 3. Go number 4. And go number 5. So this letter is children letter K, small k. So children, our letter K here is completed. Next letter is L. Okay. Okay children, our next letter is L. Okay. Next letter is L. This letter is capital letter and this letter is small letter. Okay. This letter is small letter. Sound of L, L. Sound of L children, L. Okay. L. So look at the book children. Okay. Our lesson number 7 and concept, listen and repeat, and page number children 22. So this letter is L. This capital letter L, and this letter is small letter L. Okay. This is small letter L and this capital letter L. Children, L for lamb. L for lamb. Lamb means ये भेड़ का बच्चा है. Okay. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for lion. And L for leaf. Okay children. Now repeat again. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for lion. And L for leaf. Okay. Look at the board children. Okay. Look at the board. So this picture is, which the picture children? This picture is lotus. Okay. This picture is lotus. So write here in small letter. Okay. Lotus. Okay children, this is lotus. Okay. Which is the picture children? This picture is leaf. Okay, this picture is leaf. So write here in small letter. Okay. Leaf. Which is the picture children? This picture is lamp. This picture is lamp. So write here in small letter L, lamp. Okay children, lamp. So and lion, lemon, lemon. Okay. So children, now repeat again. Okay. Now we will learn letter L. Repeat again. L for lotus, L for leaf, L for lamb, L for lion, and L for lemon. Okay children, L for lemon. Lemon. Okay children. So now we will write. We learn how to write letter L. Okay. We will learn how to write letter L. Okay children. Now write big L. Okay. Now big L. So write number 1. Here is write number 2 and here is number 3. Okay children. So we will go number 1 to number 2 and go number 3. Children, look here. Number 1 to go number 2 and go number 2 to number 3. So make this letter small l. Okay. So children, write in line. This is dot. Okay. Now write letter L. Go up, go down. This letter is L. Okay. Up and down. Letter L. Letter L. Wow. So children, letter L, sound of L. Okay. So children, here is lesson 7 and page number 22 and letter L here is completed. Bye children.